Greetings everyone, we are back with another video. Today is Sunday, and Sunday means only one thing, is that we are going to be performing trades on OTC market. And today I'm bringing you an insight on how I trade on OTC market with only one indicator, and how I'm utilizing the technical analysis to my advantage to make sure that I stay on top of the market. As you know, OTC market is regulated by the broker themselves, so this is not a real market, but it has movement here, and you can still apply technical analysis to OTC market and get yourself some nice money, since it basically follows the rules of the real market. So before we get into it, I want to thank everybody who traded with our robots yesterday. We had actually a lot of activity, people trading and sending us results, and it was amazing seeing how many people are actually profiting daily. We have posted the results of the people in our free signals group who've been trading every single day, and it is really nice to see, and I'm really thankful, because it means that our work that we do and our software that we release is helpful and people are making money. And this is the main goal, is to make trading accessible and profitable for people who are working 9 to 5, or maybe looking for ways to increase their income. So thank you once again, and now let's get into our strategy settings. So today for our trading session, we are going to be starting with $55. That is going to be our starting amount. We're going to trade on 1 minute expiration time, and our candle time frames is going to set to 30 seconds, and our chart time frames as well. So that is it for the main things that we need for the trades. And now, of course, for our trading assets, it's OTC market, so we have a lot of choices to make. We choose anything that we can choose, anything that we want. So we're gonna go with Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, let's go with Australian dollar, United States dollar, Canadian, Swiss franc, and Swiss franc, Japanese yen. 4 should be enough. We should take approximately 4 trades. This should take us around to $1,000, around that area. So there's pretty much it. Now we only need one more thing for this to be complete, and that is an indicator. And for today's trading session, I actually want to use a very default but one of the most famous indicators that are out there, and that is of course RSI. We're gonna add it to our chart with default settings, not changing anything, and immediately we are ready to take our first trade. This is all set, so if you want to keep these settings to practice yourself, try them out. Very basic settings for trading. And there it is, we have everything set, and immediately on this chart I see the position that I want to take. I'm going to take a buy position. I see on the RSI that this asset has been in downtrend for quite some time, and now it is hit the all-time low, the historical price minimum, and the reversal from this point on is occurring. You can see that clearly on RSI. So even though I see some bearish candles, the bullish impulses are high, and I'm expecting the price to continue going up. So let's skip ahead and see if we manage to secure our first win. And there it is, we get our first win with a bullish candle, and that is beautiful. This is what we want to see, and we are already can take our second trade, go straight to Canadian, Swiss franc, and seeing the same thing, almost the same, except for one thing, that this is a ranging market. But I already see the decision that I need to make, and let's change our trading amount before we take the trade themselves. $105, and I want to take a buy position here, and I'll explain my decision in just a second. So let's place that trade. And once again, if you look at RSI and at the chart, you can see that we are currently in ranging market, and we are experiencing a breakout currently. Look at RSI just heading upwards in a straight line, crossing the middle, and just skyrocketing. So I can see that there's going to be a strong move in the upwards direction, and I think we are hitting a uptrend now. So all I'm going to do is follow here this uptrend and get myself some money. So let's skip to the end of this option and see if we manage to secure the second one. And there it is, a strong finish on the second one. $200 goes straight into our pocket, and we are dominating this trading session so far. And before we proceed and take our next trade, I want to remind everyone who is looking to trade, who is looking to improve and to build something that is way more important than any job that you could get, and that is self-wealth and self-knowledge and be financially independent. I want to remind you that we have a private trading group available to you right now. It is completely free, 100% free. You don't have to pay anything. All you need to do is send me a message on Telegram at ntrade_pro, and once you become a member, you have access to all of the content inside the group absolutely for free. That includes trading sessions with professional traders every single day from Monday to Friday. Twice a day we run these trading sessions, and you can see results in the free trading group as well as private trading group. You have access to 4 robots that are available to you right off the get-go as you join. So first robot is going to be Binarx Assistant Plus robot, a trading assistant that's going to help you with making decisions when you're trading yourself. You're going to have access to Pro Trading Robot, our trading robot for the exchange market. OTC Pro Trading Robot, OTC Trading Robot, one of the best robots I had pleasure of trading and developing. And of course, the AI Navigator Pro robot, an astounding piece of technology that we have just released. This robot utilizes AI, and I believe is going to be one of the strongest tools moving forward as it evolves every single day and is able to teach itself and how to perform analysis and all of the information that is available on the internet. The robot is able to scan that within seconds and find the right entries, scan all the charts, all of the history, and provide you with a nice signal for that. So try it out. All of these robots are completely free, but you also getting a lot of knowledge from our group. We provide daily insights into the market. We provide daily tips on how to trade, which trading assets to avoid, which trading assets you should be placing trades on, and which position you should be taking. All of that is available for free for you. So once again, send me a message on Telegram at ntrade_pro, become a member, and I will be happy to see you all there. And tomorrow we're starting with a trading session, of course, so I'll see you there. And now let's get into our trade. So let's go to Australian dollar, United States dollar. This is where we're taking our next trade. And once again, just looking at OTC market, you can see how easy it is to trade with such high payouts. As you can see, we're almost always having 92% payout, 91, 92. This means that our growth is exponential. We're gonna make a lot of money. Let's change the trading amount to $202 and be ready to take our next trade. So for this chart, same thing here. We can see that the price is going into oversold condition. RSI is clearly indicating that, and what that means is there's probably going to be a support level, and we're going to take a buy position, because after asset hits the oversold condition, usually it reverses back up to offset, to correct that the asset is being overbought. So we want to take a buy position here, and let's see the outcome. Let's see if we're correct. Once again, I don't use any complex technical analysis. I see the movement of the candles on the chart and I act upon that. So let's see if I am correct. And there it is, $388. We were correct. We are already seeing the reversal, and on RSI we see the asset exiting oversold conditions. So that was a beautiful call by me. And let's move on into our last trade. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar is going to be our last one, and we're gonna see what we can do on this chart here and how we can actually make money. And same thing here, let's change the amount to $388, and this is just so easy to trade on. This is just fantastic. And looking at the chart, you can immediately see what you need to do and what you need to place and how you can do it. And I'm gonna place a sell position here because the price has reached its local price maximum. And what after that? We are looking for a reversal. We have strong bearish impulses, we have price going down. There's still a bit of room to move towards the oversold condition, and after that the price is probably gonna reverse back up. So we're taking a sell position. $744 is what we expect to get as a return here. So let's see the outcome of this trade in 30 seconds. And there it is, $744. We get it, and we conclude our trading session with 4 trades back to back, all wins, and we get the profit just like that. This is over $690 of profit that we made in a couple of minutes. This is beautiful, and this is what you should be striving when you're trading yourself. So once again, if you love what you're seeing, if you want to trade like this, and if you want to learn to perform analysis like this, and if you want to be able to spot things on the chart that will immediately tell you which position you should be taking, reach out to me on Telegram at @Android_Pro, become a member, and I'm going to show you the ropes. Now, once again, a lot of people trade binary options as it's gambling. People just go in with no knowledge, press buy, sell, and lose all their money. Okay, you can start off and win. You can win 10 trades. You can go from $50 to $1,000, but eventually the luck is going to run out, and that's where technical analysis comes in, and that's where our tools come in that perform technical analysis. So the luck, it is important in binary options, but you shouldn't take it for granted, and you should back up your luck with technical analysis, and that's going to highly increase your chances of making profit. So once again, guys, if you want to learn and if you want to know how to actually trade on binary options, send me a message, become a member. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment, let us know what you think, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.